part 2 of testing IKEA tech. So today we have this really cool light bar, so let's unbox it. In the box you get the light bar, a little box that has clips to go on your wall and screws, a wire, and obviously user manuals. We couldn't set it up since we didn't have the power cable. I was thinking to put it over my New York picture. What do you guys think? But let's set up the LEDs. In the box you get the user manuals, the power lead, more user manuals, and the lights themselves. Let's plug them in. Wow, they're bright. I'm thinking to put one strip here, and one strip here. And I forgot to say, in the little bag it has cable management holder things that go on wherever you're putting them to hold the wires all together to make them look nice. And this is the final product. That looks good. And I did a bit of cable management to get there's loads of cables. So I put the switch for the lights on the side and behind.